friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Lost Primos from Steel Brainrot, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first we're going to get started by splitting the head over here. So in the middle on a diagonal, we're going to bring this line down and through towards the left. Now from the middle, we're going to draw in a diagonal line coming up towards the top left. From that corner, we're going to bring this diagonal line through on the left-hand side, ending that at the same distance as the one on the right. And then again from here, we're just going to close this off with another diagonal line, bringing that through to create our square. Let's close off the head in the middle. So we're going to draw in another diagonal line coming right through. We're going to connect our nose from this. So in the middle, stepping over, we're going to draw in two straight lines coming up, ending those at the same height. And then we're going to close that off on the top with another straight line. On the left-hand side, let's draw in a nice big circle for the eye. And then we'll move over on the right, replicating that again. Now on the top left-hand side, we're going to draw in a nice big circle for that highlight. We'll do the same on our right eye. And then we're going to come down on a diagonal, replicating that, just making that smaller for the second highlight. And then we're just going to color in the pupils black here. Let's come underneath for the mouth now. We're going to draw in a curved line from left to right, right in the center. And then from that corner on the top, we're just going to arch this around and then back up on the right. For the tongue, we're going to curve this over from the left-hand side, down towards the right. And now let's draw on the body. So we're going to flatten this out. We're going to come in, we're going to draw in a straight line coming down. We'll do the same on the right, ending that at the same height. Now from here, let's close this off on the bottom. Let's draw on the arms. On the left-hand side, we're going to curve this around, rounding that out, and then bringing that back in. Let's draw on the legs. So from the middle, stepping over, we're going to draw on a small diagonal line coming through. We'll do the same on the right, joining that together in the middle. From here, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes out on both sides for the bottom of the shoe. And then we're going to bring that line directly across towards the side. Now from here, we're going to bring this line up towards the top. Stepping in on that corner, we're going to replicate that, ending that at the same height. Now we're going to flatten this out, so we're going to draw in another straight line coming over. On the inside here, we're just going to draw a diagonal line coming up. And then again, drawing in the straight line coming up towards the top. Let's draw in another diagonal line coming through towards the bottom of the torso. And then from here, from that corner, we're going to draw in a small diagonal line coming out, ending that at the same distance as the line in the corner. And then we're going to, again, close that off with another straight line. Now from here, let's flatten that out. We're going to bring that down on the side. And then we're just going to bring that line out and across on a diagonal. Now from the corner here, we're going to bring this line over towards the side. Above that, creating a small rectangle, we're going to bring two lines that come up towards the top. And then again, we'll just flatten that out with a straight line. Let's move over on the inside, drawing in a diagonal line coming through. And then again, we're just going to flatten that out right on the top. Let's move over now. So on this top line, we're going to draw in another diagonal line coming through towards the right. And then we're going to, from that corner, bring this diagonal line down towards the bottom. And now from here, we're just going to bring this diagonal line through towards the head on the left. Stepping up from this line, we're going to draw in another diagonal line coming right across in the middle. For the nose, 2 diagonal lines coming up, ending those at the same height. And then again, we're just going to close that off on the top. Let's draw in our left eye. So we're going to draw in a circle on the left-hand side. Moving across on the right, replicating that. On the top left-hand side now, we're going to draw in a circle. And then coming down on a diagonal, we're going to replicate that, making that smaller. Let's color in the pupil black now. In the middle here for the mouth, we're going to curve this line around and up. We'll do the same on the right. On the top here now, we're going to draw in a small diagonal line coming through. We'll do the same on the bottom, ending that at the same width there. And then we're just going to close that off again with another diagonal line. Let's move in. We're going to draw a diagonal line coming down on the left. We'll do the same, stepping across on the right, ending that at the same height. And then now from here, let's close that off on the bottom. Let's close off the arm here. So we're just going to draw in a small diagonal line coming through. And then let's draw the arm on the right. So stepping over beside the head, curving this around and in. And then on the side, on the bottom, just a small diagonal line coming out. And then from that corner, bringing that up. Now let's draw in the legs. So in the middle, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming out on the left. We'll do the same on the right, extending that further out. On the left-hand side, we're going to bring this diagonal line through. We're going to flatten that out, bringing it across towards the foot on the left. Let's come up now from that corner, bringing that line straight up. And then again, we're just going to bring this line across. Now from here, we're going to bring this line in. And then again, we'll bring this straight up towards the torso. Over on the left-hand side, we're going to draw this diagonal line coming through. And then again, we're just going to bring that up towards the top. Now from corner to corner, we're just going to bring that line over. In the middle here, we're going to bring this line out and then through on a diagonal towards the back. Let's do the same on the right. So we're going to draw in a diagonal line coming out. And then we'll bring this diagonal line across for the bottom of the foot. Let's draw 2 straight lines coming up. And then we're going to close that off with a straight line from left to right. Now on the inside, we're going to bring this diagonal line up. And then we're going to bring this straight up towards the top here. Let's come over on the right. We're going to bring this diagonal line in. And then from that corner, flattening that out. Now from corner to corner here, we're just going to connect that together. Stepping down, drawing in another straight line coming through. And then we'll bring this through towards the back. And that is it. That's how you draw Lost Primos from Steel at Brainrot. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I'll see you all on the next one.